Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Studies for Class 4. In this video, we shall study about Microsoft Internet Explorer. So, Internet Explorer is a popular web browser, means it is an application software which is used for web browsing. So, web browsing means यहाँ पर है कि हम लोग इस सॉफ्टवेयर के यूज से हम लोग वेबसाइट को ओपन करते हैं या फाइल्स को डाउनलोड या अपलोड करते हैं. सो like Internet Explorer, there are also other web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari. So we can use any of these web browsers for opening websites, for downloading files, or for uploading files. So here in this chapter we have to study about Microsoft Internet Explorer only. So let us start with its window, means how it will appear. So first of all you should know how to open it. So first this you have to click on the start button in your computer, then all programs and Internet Explorer option. So when you open this Internet Explorer, so the window of Internet Explorer will appear. So the window will look something like this, and in this picture you can clearly see different components of the Internet Explorer. So the topmost bar is known as the title bar, where you can see the name of the website and the name of the application Internet Explorer. And here you can find this back button. So this button and back button and this forward button is used to move backward or forward while opening the website. Means हम लोग ने यदि किसी वेबसाइट को ओपन किया है तो उसके वेब पेज पर बैक जाने के लिए या उसके नेक्स्ट वेब पेज पर जाने के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं बैक बटन और फॉरवर्ड बटन. The next one is this address bar. So it is one of the important component where we can or we type our web address which we have to open. Means इस बॉक्स के अंदर हम लोग टाइप करते हैं अपना URL. URL मीन्स द एड्रेस ऑफ द वेबसाइट और फाइल. सो हम लोग यहाँ टाइप करते हैं और फिर एंटर बटन प्रेस करेंगे तो फिर जा कर के हमारा वेबसाइट जो है वो इस सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर ओपन होता है. The next one is your favorites button. So here we keep our favorite web pages that we have already saved in this application. So it is also known as bookmark. Means if we are opening certain website and if we find it useful, then we can save its address in this application. So that is known as bookmark. Means हमने किसी वेबसाइट को ओपन किया और वो वेबसाइट हमें काफ़ी यूजफुल लगा तो हम उसके एड्रेस को इसके अंदर सेव कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट सेव्ड एड्रेस इज नोन एज bookmark. Now come to this section, and here you can find this cross. So this is your close button or stop button. Means if a website is loading, then if you click on this button, then it will stop this loading process. The next one you can see in this middle is refresh button. So refresh button हम लोग यूज करते हैं वेबसाइट को रीलोड करने के लिए ताकि वो वेब पेज फिर से दोबारा ओपन हो सके. एंड हियर यू कैन फाइंड दिस command bar. So command bar actually holds different useful options like this home button. So home button is used to move back to your predefined home page. मीन्स हम लोग अपने वेब ब्राउज़र में किसी वेबसाइट को प्री डिफाइंड कर देते हैं ताकि जब भी हम उसको ओपन करें तो फर्स्ट टाइम वही पेज हमारा ओपन हो। So if we want to move back to our home, so we have to click here on this home button, and another button is here, print button. So if you want to print the web page you have opened, so you can use this print button. Now here is this status bar which displays status of your web page or the website you have opened. So it displays actually different information of the website you have opened. So now students, I will show you by opening this Internet Explorer here in my computer. So I am going to open this application. For this, here I have to click on this start button and this all program option, and here you can find this Internet Explorer application. Yes, so this is window of Internet Explorer application. So whenever your computer is not connected with the internet, so this window will appear something like this. Here you can see Internet Explorer cannot display the web page. So here you can find my default home page is www.google.com. Means whenever I will open this Internet Explorer application and my computer is connected to the internet, so it will open the Google web page. So now I am going to connect my computer with internet, and then I am going to use this refresh button and close button. Okay, so you can see this, this is your title bar, this box is your address box, and here you can see backward button and forward button, and this is your menu bar, file, edit, view, favorites, tools. So these are the menu options available. And here these are your uh, command buttons. In this, here you can find this is your home, this is your print button, and page option, safety option, tools. So now I am going to use this refresh button to open this web page google.com. So let us see. Now you can see this is my home page. Means I have predefined it that whenever I will open my Internet Explorer, so the default page will open the Google web page. So here in this address box we can type another web page address, so that will open that another web page. Means हमारे पास यदि कोई भी वेब एड्रेस मौजूद है पता है तो हम उसको यहाँ पर इस बॉक्स के अंदर टाइप करेंगे तो जा कर के ये उस वेब पेज को ओपन कर देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, if I have to open Wikipedia, then I will type wikipedia.org. So let's see. I think this address is not correct, so I'm going to search for the web address of Wikipedia. Let us see. So the address for Wikipedia is www.wikipedia.org. So here is one tab in this Internet Explorer window. If you want to open a new tab, so here you have to click here on this button for new tab. So now you can open another web page. मीन्स हम लोग टैब का यूज करते हैं तभी जब हमें कोई दूसरा वेब पेज ओपन करना होता है. मीन्स in one tab we have another web page, in the next tab we can have another web page. So like this हम लोग बहुत सारे टैब को ओपन एक साथ कर सकते हैं ताकि हम जितने मर्जी उतनी वेब पेजेस को एक साथ देख सकें. So just keep adding new tabs in your application so that you will open new web pages in another tabs. So